Hi children, this is the maths work for Tuesday the 12th of May. We've got to start off with some mental maths. We've got the time yourself test 2. See how quickly, if you've got a stopwatch or someone can time you, see how quickly you can go through these questions, 10 of them. Most of us adding or subtractions. So try and use your mental work, so don't put them into columns, but just look carefully at the numbers. So for the first one, 206 take away 7. Well, 7 is one more than the 6, so it's going to be one less than 200. Just look at your ways of working out really shortcuts. So looking at the place value, the 2 and the 8. The 4 tens and the 9 tens, the 100 and the 300, and the 3000 would be unaffected. Okay, so look carefully at that, good luck there. And then we've got some mental maths on 3-digit numbers, take away 2-digit numbers. Again, it's looking at the numbers carefully, using your place value skills, counting on skills, especially if the numbers are quite close together, or if they're sometimes when you're taking a number away, 10 should be easier than a number that's got units and tens. So if you look carefully using your skills, and then there's a prove it card here. What is F plus H? Now if you look at this line, 2 F's, obviously they're going to be the same number, but they equal 56. And 2 G's will take 56 up to 90. So you've got to do a little bit of working out. So what is double F? Then add G. So see if you can prove it. Okay, the main maths is continuing from yesterday. We're going to multiply multiples of 10, 100 by 1 digit. We're really getting to grips with this. Steps to success. Use tables and place value to arrive. Multiplication trios, use multiplication facts to work out division facts, investigate the relationship between division and multiplication. So if you look at your learning reminders to rehearse how to use tables and place value to derive multiplication trios such as 4 times 8, 4 times 80 and 4 times 800. If you can see a pattern, then you've got it. 4 times 8 is easy, you know that's 32, then 4 times 80, which will make the answer 10 times more than 32, and then 800 times 4, which is going to make the answer of 32 100 times bigger. So look at the pattern. Look at the related divisions. So if you look at this learning reminder, 40 times 6, well, if you know what 4 times 6 is, then you should know what 40 times 6, which is 10 times bigger. So what division sentences can you get from that? We could group 240 into 6s or 40s. So 240 divided by 6 is 40. 240 divided by 40 is 6. It's the reverse of the digits. Okay. Then we've got some practice sheets. We've got the hot sheet here, if you follow the instructions. Then we've got an investigation in the triangles. So the numbers in this triangle are related. The number at the top is the product of the other two. What multiplication and division sums can you write to go with it? Okay, so 6 times 400 should equal 2,400. Draw other triangles with 2,400 at the top. So what other numbers will make 2,400 as its product? Follow this. This is an investigation, so take your time. And then the extension. There are some activities here. If you can quickly go through some of these. Be careful of the operation. Is it multiplication or division? See how you get on with that. Good luck.